Okay guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're going to talk about stocks with low volatility. So what you can do is go to ticker tab. Okay, go here and you can click this, and after that you can go to screener here. Okay, we're going to choose a stock for investing long term, okay, with low risk. So our market cap will be large cap, which is above 49,000 crores, and then PE ratio here, priced per earning per share. So here I'm gonna put as 0 here, and then my PE max will be, let's put as 30 because it is better. Okay, and after that I'm gonna add one more filter, that is alpha, which is, look here, excess return of a stock relative to its benchmark, calculating as 104 weekly price points. Okay, here, and beta, okay, this is a volatility, right? Volatility of a stock price compared to index. Okay, remember this. Beta means it's part of volatility. Suppose Nifty move like, let's say, -1%, then if the beta here is 0.70, then it moves lesser than Nifty, which is a good sign. So you can go here, go to beta here, and I'm going to choose the lowest beta. Okay, so here IndusLand has the highest beta in this market cap. So out of 25 stocks, let's go for the lowest beta. Okay, look here. And alpha here is also a type of return, okay, which is calculated as it's mentioned here. So if you look at this, the PE ratio is very good. Look at this. Power Grid Corporation of India, this is a government-based company, so it has a very good beta as well as alpha. Alpha is not that impressive, and PE ratio is very good. So we'll try to look for low beta, high alpha, and low PE ratio, okay, in high market cap. So here we can go for Power Grid, and then you can see some of the stocks. So let's go for alpha, that has around 10%, more than 10. Okay, which means we got one here, Bharat Electronics, and the other one is, what is this, Grasim, and this is above 40. So we got Power Grid is not very good, alpha is not good. We got Bharat Electronics and uh, Grasim in P ratio of below 30. Okay, so what we can do is we can go to screener now. Screener here in this website, and we're gonna analyze this stock. Okay, when I go to screener here, you can type, let's go for Bharat Electronics first. Bharat Electronics, this. Okay, let's analyze this. You can see the market cap is around 50,000 crore, which is not very big yet. It has just entered a large cap stock recently. Okay, the stock P is 22, which is very good. Book value is also not very impressive, but it's okay. It's at 47. So if the book value is around like 150, then it's very good. So ROC is also okay, and sales growth ROE is also good. EPS 9, which is very good. Compare here. So overall, this stock is very good for now. Okay, so if you look at Max, you can see that it is in a very good up move and downfall and another up move, right? Very underrated stocks. So a smart move will be buying stock when it reaches 20 moving averages. Okay, moving averages. So now it is not in that range, or you can even go for 50, which is indicating a buy signal here. Okay, so I won't encourage putting everything in one go. It will be wise, to do like putting in a SIP manner. Okay, so looking at some of their result, let's look at this. Okay, sales, it's been increasing from the past 10 years. You can see from 5,000 to 14,000 crores, and operating profit has increased. Okay, mm, is if you look, we are more interested in compound annual growth return, right, in stock price. So if you see this, in 10 years it has given only 17%, and 5 years 9%, 3 years 31%, and 1 year 57%. Okay, uh, which is not bad. okay, compared to other stocks, and share capital increase. If you look at reserves, from 4,000 in 2010, it has reached 10,900 crores as a reserve. So they don't have any debt and they still have reserve, which means they have free money. This company has a free money of 10,948 crores, which is a good sign. And looking at shareholding patterns, promoters are having like around 51% as of now. From 2000 March 2020, it has not changed. Nothing has changed, and we can see that foreign institutions are getting interested in these particular stocks, which is a good sign actually. You look at FIIs, they're taking a very big positions, and even DIIs, they know it because the PE is very low, and then they are like debt free. Okay, so you see, even domestic institutions, they have increased their position very high here. And even if you look at public has a lot of holdings, though some have book profit here. Uh, if you look at this stock is not bad. Okay, it's good. So let's look at corporate action. Okay, where is that? Yeah, here. Okay, let's look at dividends paid. Okay, so last year they paid around 1 2 3, nearly 4 rupees in financial year, which is very good. Is there any buyback? There was a buyback. Bonuses, wow, this was good. They have a split. Okay, so this is good. They have a very good track record here. Let's look at dividend return. Okay, they have 1.9%, which is actually just okay. So industry PE 37, which is good. Let's compare with other stocks here. Okay, if you look at industry PE, then this one is good, and even this Nitros engineer PE is good, but we don't know the financial statement here, right? So no, these are not very impressive here. Look at this. So Bharat Electronics is good, and the second stock that we have just found with this radar is that Grasim Industries. So you will go for no, Grasim, right? This is Grasim, yeah, Grasim Industry. Market cap of around 1 lakh crore. Current price, stock PE is also good. It's 19. Okay, EPS okay. ROE is not very good, but it's okay, 7%. And sales, it's increasing, which is growing at 15% in the last 5 years. So it's okay. Book value is also very good, not bad. Dividend not very impressive, but still okay. Industry PE very good. So you can buy this stock when it reach like 20 moving averages, because it's trading just above 20 moving averages. Okay, so a small pullback here in this area we can start buying. We can even buy now, with a small quantity, because these things has a potential. Okay, look at this. So this one and what other stock, Bharat Electronics, are like in a one move, right? Uptrend, down, and an uptrend again. So this has potential. Mm. And if you look at industry PE, this high compared to other stocks. Okay, but still then this one has 8.69. We don't know about the alpha and beta in this stock. Okay, the volatility, so we're gonna avoid this for now. And if you look at standalone, we can see that the sales have been increasing in 2019, and it has reduced a little bit in March 2021, which is not a very good sign. But if you look at a quarterly result, it has increased a little bit. Okay, so it's okay. And then compound sales growth here, not very good. Stock CAGR is okay. Okay, sales seems to be not very impressive. Return on equity is also not very good. Let's look at some okay, they have reserve of around 46,000 crores, which is also not bad. Share capital has not increased much in last 10 years. uh, and what else? Promoters are increasing their holdings in this stock, which is a good sign. And there are a lot of FIs and DIs activity, and public is having a good hold here. Okay, see. So Yes, it's worth taking investing here. Let's look at dividends. Okay, last year they paid around nine rupees, right? But if you look at share price, then it is very low compared to Bharat Electronics. But Bharat Electronics is better. Okay, has there been any merger? Okay, here one more and split here. So this is it for these two stocks. And if you look like using PE of around let's say 40, okay, then we can see better stocks like Wipro, which is a very good stock. I've even mentioned in the other video. It has an beta of 0.37 and alpha of 25 and stock PE is 36. Let's just analyze Wipro. Okay, Wipro is a very good company having a market cap of 389 crores. Uh, and you can see the sales growth is not very impressive though. Uh, EPS is okay, 21. Stock PE is good, it's in the range. So investing in this stock currently, it's not a wise choice to enter here. Well, if you can keep on buying at lower levels, and that's fine if you have enough money to like average it. Okay, compared to industry, not very bad. Okay, Wipro, HCL Technologies, they are good actually. They have even a very low PE. Okay, Tech Mahindra promoter holdings are not very good. But now let's talk about Wipro. Okay, Wipro. Let's first look at uh, corporate action, right? Is there any what is a dividend? Okay, they have even started paying. They are in a range. Oh no, no, they're gonna pay. They're gonna pay 1 rupees coming January 2022. Okay, so 2020. Oh, sorry, it's January 2021. Okay, I thought this was 22. No, I got confused because of this. So bonuses, very good bonus. Buyback, a good one here. Mm, so let's look at some of these sales. Okay, sales increasing. It has been increasing. Nice one, from 22,000 to 50,000 crores. And stock CAGR is around like 65, which is a very good one. Compound interest growth, these are all okay. They're in the okay range. Share capital has increased, nothing to be worried of. Reserve, they have around 48,000 crores right now, okay, which is a good sign. And their debt is around like 6,500. So promoter holdings, as I've mentioned, they have a very good promoter holdings, which means even the promoter are confident in their own company, right? And FIs have increased their position here, which is a good sign. DI, they have reduced, but they're still. And you can see public, okay, retailers like us, they have a good position here, like around 14.92, which is a good sign. So Bharat Electronics and in tech companies, I would go for Wipro and HCL. But if I were to choose between Wipro and HCL, then I wouldn't go for Wipro. Okay, because I think HCL, is there any HCL was listed here? Yeah, it's here. Okay, 22%, 25. Wipro has more higher alpha, so I would go for Wipro. So I think this is it, guys. I think you have learned something how to analyze. So this will be it for today's video. Bye bye.